Then Daddy was asking, okay, tell me, how do you spend your day? Or what do you like to do? Mr. Lem was saying, I love to read books, I love to sit in the sunshine, and I love to grow fruits and plants. In this way, I spend my day. Daddy was saying, you are not having curtain on the window of your room or of your house. Mr. Lamb said, yes, because I love transparency. There is no need of any curtain. I love light. I love darkness. That's why I don't use curtain. So, even I love the company of the children. So, Mr. Lamb was saying in that you should also not lose your hope, and you can also enjoy the company of nature. And then Daddy was saying, no, you don't know my pain. Do you know where sometimes my parents talk whenever I am going downstairs? They are in the room and they are saying, what will be the future of Daddy, how he will survive when we will not be in this world. So they always worry for me, and it is very painful for me. Then Mr. Lam was saying, oh, you are very lucky. You are having two hands, two legs, and two eyes. Everything is okay. And moreover, you are having a perfect brain. So you can do anything good for in your life. You can achieve anything by using your brain. By using your brain. And then Daddy was saying, do you have any friend? Mr. Lam said, yes, I am having many friends. Everyone is my friend, and hundreds of people are my friend. They come to have fire in winter, and kids also come to me to have jam, jelly, and toffee. So all are my friend. But Daddy was saying, whatever, whosoever is coming in your contact, it does not mean they are your friend, and they are just people. They are not your friend. But Mr. Lem was saying, it does not matter whether they are my friend, and it is even not necessary to know their names. Even Daddy was saying, even you don't know my name till now, still you are saying that I am also your friend and other people are also your friend. And Daddy also said that whosoever is passing from the street cannot be your friend. So tell me exactly whether you are really having any friend or not. At this, Mr. Lamb said that if they are not my friend, it does not mean they are my enemy. So I love the company. I am not going to see whether I know their name or whether they are giving me their time or not. But I treat everyone as my friend. And then Mr. Derry was saying, okay, now I think he was saying, Mr. Derry was saying to Mr. Lamb that no, you don't know the feelings of the people. They always hate you if you are not perfect. Do you know, when I was in the hospital, one of my close family member told me that I should always stay in the hospital because hospital is the best place for me, because all other people like me would be there, so I will be comfortable there. So can you imagine this? Mr. Lem was saying, no, people with no legs altogether means Mr. Lem was saying, do you mean all the lame people should stay together, all the blind people should stay together? But it would be not good, because then how they will survive? If different types of people are living together, they can help each other, they can help. But if all are blind, all are deaf, then how they will survive? So Mr. Lamb is just trying to change the attitude or negative thinking of Derry. And Mr. Lem was saying, watching, listening, and thinking, these three things are very good, and we can spend our time, and we will be not bored. And then Daddy was saying, okay, I could come here again. Okay, I love your company. Can you allow me to come here? Daddy Lem said, yes, whenever you like, because I am not having any problem, and you can come here and you can stay here. And then Derry was saying it would stop them, but other people would stop. Means the children and the street people or the neighboring people, whosoever come to your garden, they will not come because they might be having fear of my face. They might be not liking me. And then Mr. Lamb said, no, they will not do. Gradually, they would like to start. They would start to like you. So you should not think in that way. And then Mr. Lem was saying, when I got the street, the kids shout. Even he is giving the example. Sometimes children call me Lammy Lamb, Lammy Lamb, but I don't mind. I love their company. In the evening, they come to me and take toffees and jellies. I love their company. So I don't mind what they are calling me or how they are treating me. And then Derry said, if you fell and broke, he was saying if you do all the work, you climb the ladder, you can fail and you can hurt yourself. Lem was saying, but I love this, and I love to grow the plants and the fruits, and I love to make different things for the children. And Daddy was saying, okay, I will inform my mother and I would love to stay with you and I will help you. And then Mr. Lem was saying, okay, you can go, but go and inform your parents. Daddy said it is means my house is 3 miles away. Then Mr. Lem was saying, oh, but you are having leg, you can run and come back. And but Mr. Lem was having one doubt